Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bike pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BV Bicycle Ergonomic Bike Floor Pump. The bike floor pump works perfectly in allowing you to achieve the fastest inflation process. The use of a smart valve head makes it very reliable for your daily applications. With the ability to reach 160 psi, it works perfectly to allow for the best inflating experience. The use of automatic reversing valves makes it easy to work on different inflating devices. A twin valve design makes it easy to work on different types of valves. It is an accurate inflation pump that allows you to adhere to the precise pressure requirements. The use of a stable and durable base makes it long-lasting. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vibrelli Bike Floor Pump. The bike pump comes with a large accurate gauge to allow you to realize the best experience as you work on different inflation tasks. With the maximum capacity of 160 psi, it is a reliable kit you can get, and it will never let you down. The use of versatile valves allows for easy inflation of different tires. The pump automatically switches to different valves, making it easy to use. With the rapid valve design, it works very well to ensure the best inflation process. With the ability to reach up to 160 psi, it is a reliable unit you can get in the market. The use of glueless kit makes it easy to repair a puncture. It inflates fast, which saves on time and energy. At number 3, we have the Vibrelli Mini Puncture Repair Kit. The bike pump is highly reliable. It works on different valves. It can reach a maximum of 120 psi, making it ideal for a wide range of road bikes. No valve changing needed because the pump comes in a versatile design. No leaks are experienced during the inflation process. It is a bike pump which works perfectly to assure you the best experience. With the high volume inflation, it works fast to ensure the best inflation process. The mounting bracket works perfectly to realize the best inflation process. With the glueless puncture kit, it becomes easy to repair the puncture. At number 2, we have the Pro Bike Tool Mini Bike Pump. The mini bike pump can be a great way to make your bike reliable. A puncture can develop in any location. The use of the lightweight and the compact pump makes it easy to repair the puncture. The superior and compact design makes it highly reliable when working on different types of bikes. You have a stable base which works perfectly to realize the best experience when working on different bikes. It comes in a unique design, making it highly reliable for mountain bikes and road bikes. Secure thread-on valve connection enables a tight seal with no air leaks. Not compatible with non-threaded valve extenders. For Presta valves with removable cores, extra care should be taken to tightly screw the core into the valve stem. And finally, at number 1, we have the AirGun X1000 Bike Pump. The bike pump stands out due to several features. For instance, it comes with a high-quality pump head to allow for an effective inflation process. The high-power pressure capability allows for the best experience when inflating tires. Easy-to-read gauge makes it easy to know the exact pressure when working on different bike tires. The long-lasting design makes the bike pressure very reliable. The long-lasting design makes the pressure pump very reliable. Airtight pump head results in an industry-leading bicycle pump that is easy to use, requires no fiddling, switching or adapters, and has a convenient pressure release valve to quickly and precisely remove air from tires to adjust for different types of training or riding, trail, road, etc. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.